No stairway. Denied.
Hey guys, talk about a long time, it has just been forever. You look lovely, you look great. You've been dieting? I can tell. So much has been happening since we last spoke. I've just been doing ridiculous amounts of homework, tons of college applications, preparing for my future. What an exciting, miserable time it's been for all of us. But speaking of college, to prepare for your future, you got, applications, essays, recommendations, all that crap. And it's not fun, but it's not the worst thing that could happen. There is one thing, however, necessary, vital for preparation for your future, that is terrible. One thing that you would rather, just off the top of my head, poke your eyes out with forks, walk through a field of cacti, get attacked by a swarm of mutant alien bumblebees. Horrible stuff we're talking, right? It goes by the acronym of SAT. I'm sure you already know what I'm talking about. Just cannot think of anything worse, seriously. Thinking about the SAT, my soul turns to ice, cold sweats, nervous. It's just not a good thing, okay? SAT is bad enough because you have to wake up early on a Saturday morning, okay? Drag your sweatpants-ridden self to wherever you're taking it. God forbid you forget your extra batteries. So there, you're waiting outside with all these other scared faces, thinking about the absurdity of one test possibly making or breaking your acceptance to college. You go in, you put your brave face on, you try to remember all the formulas that your teachers have been telling you your whole life, and you tell yourself, I'm gonna go in there, I'm going to conquer the SAT. But the test isn't the part that bothers me. It's the people I'm surrounded by. There's always the person who looks really smart and really confident, and you just kind of watch them the whole time to see how they're doing, if they're done before you, and kind of gauge yourself by them. And you pray to God that those people, crash and burn, just for being that smart. They're the water bottle people that just, do not stop drinking. They're gonna have to pee 500 times. It makes you laugh a little bit inside. My favorite kind of test taker, I'm going to call him the Sniffler. All bundled up, and it is just constant sniffling. Can I please have some tissues? Can I have another tissue box? Seriously. I just had to get that off my chest. I'm not making any promises, so don't get all excited, but I'm gonna try to make more videos. I'm done with the SATs. I've taken it 3 times. Whatevs. I'm happy with my score. Never again. Never.